Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the second installment of tonight's classic Cars in Old Town Kissimmee in Florida. So we're here on a family holiday or vacation, and I've come out alone this evening to come and watch the classics. So yesterday I was here for the muscle cars, tonight's the classics, and tomorrow morning we'll be here once again for the exotics. So very much looking forward to seeing all of these whilst we were planning our trip. I'm just waiting now for the cars to come out on their nightly cruise, so they go and do a lap of the Old Town Kissimmee. So I found myself a good vantage point where hopefully I'm in the middle of any music. And yeah, just now, wait for the cars to come through, go see them all, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have, obviously, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below what your favourite car is you're going to see. And if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It's 8:30 p.m. 75 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm very much in t-shirts and loving life at the moment. Anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you guys very soon. So I'm waiting for the first car to arrive. I can see it. There's going to be 60 odd cars in this parade, and they all date from 1985 and pre-85, should I say. Oh, it's a DeLorean. Woo! That's not part of the cruise, but look at that. That's cool. I'm going to end up missing the cruise now. Look at that. Got blue neons. That is very cool. Anyway, so they started the event today with a national anthem, with the American national anthem, and following that, the show commences. So sit back and enjoy tonight's cruise. Beautiful. Sounds like a sewing machine. Beautiful Dodge Challenger. Love that. Dog in the back of that one. tonight's car cruise. I'm going to go over and have a quick look at the cars before heading home. And what an amazing display of vehicles once again. Look forward to be back in the morning. Hopefully a good turnout of exotic stuff. And see what we got on.
Like a pigeon set free somewhere south, maybe now. One thing on my mind keeps me flapping all night long. Everywhere I've been, everywhere I roam, I'm a pigeon set free, racing straight on home. Maybe there's some bluebird sitting on your sill. Maybe there's a starling, a robin on whippoorwill. Their colors shine, maybe they can sing. Honey, I put all my life here in my way. You're shining brighter than a northern star. Babe, I know just where you are. I just can't wait much more. I'm coming home.
Well, I think it's time for me to call it a day. What an amazing car show. Some amazing cars on display. And it's great to see them in action, driving back and forth. One thing I think that's in the UK that we lack, we don't have many shows like that where it's static and then you go for a drive. It's mostly just static or a drive. It's not sort of the combination of the two, especially not where you can see and watch the cars going round and round. So really nice to see. Some real nice stuff on display, as I say. All mixed from, I think the earliest one was made in 1931 to about 1985. I'd say that's the cut-off. Yeah, just super cool to see them all. Hope you've enjoyed both these videos. This is obviously the second video I've uploaded on the event. This is the car cruise. Thank you very much. This is the car cruise. The cruise is held every Saturday, every Friday, and I do a few midweek ones as well. So, Old Town Kissimmee in Florida. If you're here, come check it out. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. From me, thank you so much, and I'm signing out, trying to find the car and going home. So until next time, see you later. Take it easy.